Installments allow larger payments or credit packages to be spread over the course of a number of months. Installments can be applied to two types of plans: non-repeating packs and one-time upfront. Non-repeating packs are used if credits are being tracked for the installments, while one-time upfront is used if credits are not tracked. These are primarily used when enrolling a student for a full year's worth of private sessions at once, or for larger engagements that do not track credits or time used. Let's create a non-repeating package with installments for the full school year, such as 32 sessions. This can be spread out over 12 months, issuing 32-hour credits for $2,400. Let's enroll a student in the full year installment plan. By default, the student will be issued 32 credits for $2,400 spread over 12 months. An additional feature of installments is that almost all of their settings can be configured. The number of installments, the date they will be charged, and the total amount can all be customized to each client. If a client wants payments spread over fewer months, that can be customized alongside the specific day of the month they are charged, keeping the default of 12 installments charged on the 15th of every month. The student is enrolled with the instructor, and sessions are put on the calendar. The credits are issued, and on the parent's profile, all invoices under the installment plan are created up front. This makes it very easy to track future expected payments from the client. One-time upfront installments are very similar and can be tracked. All invoices are created immediately, with the only caveat being that credits are not issued and attendance tracking has no impact on billing.